The clipboard is made with an adaptive clip that is easy to use with one hand. The springs in the clipboard prevent paper from moving, and the grippy material on the back of the clipboard prevents the clipboard from moving against the table. To use the grippy mat, simply unroll it, flip the fabric up, place your paper on top, and begin writing. To close the grippy mat, remove the paper, fold the fabric down, and roll it up. The folder has 2 pockets for paper storage. There are magnets on the inside to keep the 2 sides of the folder from slipping on each other while writing. There's also Dycem on the front of the folder to keep the paper from slipping while writing, and on the back of the folder to keep the folder from slipping on the table.